just look for the 3 white arrows. I call them the 3 amigos. So I'm checking my mirrors, middle right, signalling right.
And take the second exit.
It's 1 lane entry, so I can only see 1 lane here, and it's a mini roundabout. I can see the car on my right hand side. He's signalling left, and the next car is signalling right, but the third car, he's signalling right as well. So I'm just being careful. I can see a blocker there, so I'm moving on to the roundabout. I'm making the turn, and I'm going downhill. I did not signal off. It was just a little tight for me. I couldn't signal, check my mirrors and signal left. It's a mini roundabout. So look out for the 3 amigos. I have already checked my mirrors. This is a very common test route, Skyeside road. Watch your speed downhill. Do not hit the gas. You can just keep your foot on the foot brake. My foot is on the foot brake and I'm keeping that speed to about 30, 31. I'm not even using the gas pedal. I'm just easing off the foot brake because now it's back to 28. So it's 27. All I did was let go of the foot brake a little. I'm at 28, 29. I'm looking at my mirrors. Don't look at the mirrors on the bend. Just go around the bend, making sure it's safe. Have a quick check at your mirrors. Once the road or part of the road is straight, you want to be focusing on the danger in front of you, if there's any danger, and the steepness of this road by using your foot brake. So I'm just pressing the foot brake down a little gentle. Just went to 32, but I've got it under control. I'm at 30 now. That's fine. 28, 29 would be a target. So now there's flat road. I'm just gently easing on the gas, just a gentle.
And take the second exit, Skyeside Street.
So right on the roundabout, just giving a little gas, and we're coming to the Tesco. That's the 3rd exit. There's a new school on the left hand side, or a community centre. It's going to be the 3rd exit, not the 2nd exit. Checking my mirrors, in position, in lane.
On the roundabout and take the second exit.
It's the 3rd exit. So I'm just slowing down here, positioning my car to the right, to the curb, and I should be able to go onto the roundabout now. And I'm taking the 3rd exit. First, second, this is the 2nd. The 3rd is the Tesco Express. Checking my mirrors and signalling off. Now watch out for this bend around this corner. Don't give me gas. Keep control of the car around this bend. So if you notice the speed, I'm about 16 to 18 miles an hour, and then I'm easing back on the gas when the road is straight, and I'm checking my mirrors because it's safe for me to check my mirrors.